What? There's something on my face? What are you guys looking at? Black Santa. Let's get much. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're new and haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button now. So what are we doing today? And what was all this about? Well, and the title of this video, basically about, you know, actually I haven't even titled this video yet. I was obviously, as you guys saw a few seconds ago, I was actually editing the last video, which actually has to do with today's video a little bit in the timing cover. So what we're gonna do today actually is we are going to attempt to put on, let me open the garage. It takes like 20 minutes to open. Yeah, anyway, so we are going to attempt to put the, well not attempt, we're gonna put the timing cover on today. And sorry, I'm distracted. We're gonna put the timing cover on today and possibly even the oil pan. Just wanna get stuff done, get this progressing, get the motor and stuff ready to go, because the motor's ready to go, pretty much ready to go. But soon we got to put it in the car and things like that. We're also going to end up test fitting the turbo and the other parts I have here on the block before it goes in the car and things like that, just to double check and make sure we're not missing anything. So yeah, we got a few things to do today. It's going to be like 95 degrees today, and so I kind of want to get this done sooner rather than later. Plus I got to do yard work, plus I got to go to the gym, you know, stuff like that. So guys, stick around. We'll, like I said, we'll get the timing cover on, get that on, get the oil pan on, and yeah. Sorry about that. So let's get this stuff started. Actually, I gotta get dressed. I'm actually still wearing my pajamas and stuff. They're skulls, what do you expect? Rough, son, rough. No clue what that meant. Alright guys, this is much better. Superhero mode, because I gotta get working and things like that. It's a nice freaking day out here right now. It's gonna get hotter because I can already feel it. And I just want to get that done and things like that. Oh, let me show you guys something. See, look at this. Look at how my steps came out and things like that. Now he's working on the walkway and getting that all set for me and things like that. Home ownership, it's fun, it's fun. I cleaned out the gutters too. I'm so proud of myself getting things done. But anyway, let's get this going. I want to get this, at least get the valve cover, I mean the timing cover on, excuse me, and then we'll go from there. Anyway, so I am cleaning off the old gasket sealant from the factory, but I realized I didn't have a razor. So what's the next best thing? That's right, actually preferably that end right there. I'm actually using this to get some of the old gasket off. A, because I don't have any more razors left, and B, this is all I had in the house. So, yeah, let me continue. So the razor sorter worked. I also have to use the Scotch-Brite pad and some of the super clean. So, but it's working, it's coming off. And I know you're probably like, Chuck, why didn't you do that before? I forgot. So now I'm stuck doing it now. But it's gonna get done, it's gonna get clean. Obviously I need to do that so that way the new gasket maker can go on there cleanly and things like that. So let me get that. Not that that's a pain in the butt or anything, it's just getting the gasket maker in the correct spots and things like that. But as you can see, it's all on there. I love the way this timing cover came out. This timing cover looks ridiculously hot, and I'm really proud of it. I got to obviously bolt this down and things like that. Fortunately, there is a dowel pin here and a dowel pin right here to get everything lined up. So I'm actually going to do that now, get it bolted down so that way the gasket maker can set, and then I'm going to torque it down. But again, I'm going to put the bolts in so that way it has something to make sure that it seals properly and things like that. So yeah, this is fun, and I'm freaking hot. Look at that. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah, oh yeah, I do look like the black Lex Luthor. What do you think? Check this out. Now, yes, I'm using the gun, but only not to torque it down or to even really tighten it, just for it to go in a little bit faster and a little bit smoother. Not done yet, still gotta do the valve cover. Alright guys, really quick before, I'm gonna actually end the video soon, but before I go, I just want to say thank you guys for continuing to come back and things like that, and appreciating the project, which I do have a project name for it, which is completely different from what I'm putting on the valve cover. That's something else, you guys will see that, and I still got to paint a valve cover. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for continuing to come back to watch me, watch the growth of the Genesis Coupe, just, you know, listen to me talk and things like that. You know, it's really cool to know that you guys appreciate it and things like that. And I just wanted to tell you really quick, this quick story. Last year, I think it was last summer, there was this kid at the Y. He saw the Genesis Coupe, you know, the niceness that it is, and you know, he had, I didn't realize he's like 12 years old, this kid, and he, you know, he's a special needs kid, and just out of his mouth, he's like, in front of his mother, which was hilarious, he's like, nice fucking car, you know, and I'm like, thank you, blah blah blah, this and that. And it was really cool. And then yesterday I actually saw him at the Y again. I didn't realize it was him. He got a little bit taller, probably wishes he was a baller. No, I'm kidding. And yesterday I'm walking out and my car's parked in front, and you know, he sees the car again. He's like, oh man, I really love your car, nice fucking car, things like that. His mother's right there too, of course. She's like, come on, hurry up, walk and talk. And you know, he starts asking me questions, and you know, it's cool to know that somebody really appreciates the car for what it is, especially for someone who may never really get a chance to drive a car. So anything that I can do to this car that can brighten up somebody's day, whether their special needs or not, or just you guys having a bad day, you know, I'm glad to do it. So I'm gonna obviously continue the build, things like that. Let's just say the project name NP, but only one other person knows what it is. I'll reveal it at some point, but I'm going to continue with Project NP, and you know, continue, you know, grow from there. You guys stick around. You guys give me suggestions, maybe stuff you want to see. I may do it, I might not do it. I do have to order a few more parts, as far as like, I'm going to order a Megan Racing engine mounts. There's a couple other things I'm going to order, but that's actually probably next week that I'll order that stuff, so that way I can have it, because it just didn't make sense to throw in the engine mounts, because I'm now over 150,000 miles, so you know, maybe I need to change those and things like that. So let me know what you guys think about this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Continue and come back. Thank you for coming back. And neighbor is kind of funny. He's singing out loud. It's hilarious. I'm gonna try to get him on camera singing and shooting the hoops. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Yeah. Let's see. Can I do it? Can I do it? Damn, can't shoot for shit. What the hell kind of form is that? Yeah.